Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make condensed milk cookies. This turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. If you're a condensed milk lover, you're definitely going to love this. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add in softened butter and powdered sugar. Don't add in that much powdered sugar because the condensed milk is also full of sugar, so don't add in much sugar. After everything has come together, add in your condensed milk. So this is the condensed milk that I made. I think my last 3 recipe I made homemade condensed milk. So if you want to know how to make it, please go through my channel and you find out how to make homemade condensed milk. Mix until everything has come together like this, and then add in vanilla essence and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Mix until well combined. So after everything is combined like this, add in your flour and just a little bit of cornstarch. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I'll mix until everything has come together, and then I'll transfer it, like I'll mix with my hands until it forms a dough. So don't overstress it, don't overwork it. Once everything has come together just like so, until it has formed a dough, a soft dough like this, cover it with a cling film and then put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. But then even like this on its own, you can go ahead and divide it into smaller pieces and then bake it. After 1 hour, make sure you line your baking tray with parchment paper. Bring out the dough and then take out the cling film from the dough. The next thing you're going to do is to divide the dough into smaller pieces. So mine was around 50 to 60 grams each. You can eyeball it or you can just do it as I'm doing it here. So this is what you're looking for. Roll it in your palm, round shape or in a ball shape in your palm like this. And then when you're done, press it between your palms, just like so. It's very easy making this. After you're done rolling it in a ball shape, you press it between your palm and you're good to go. So you can bake it like this on its own, or I just use a pastry tool design to make simple, easy design. But this is totally optional. You can even use a fork to draw a fork mark like that, or you use this to make a design just like so, and then you're good to go. It was very easy making this. If you have any pastry design tool that you think it will be okay, use it. Go ahead and use it. When done, bake this in the preheated oven at 165 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, this is how mine came out. If you think the thing, depending on the size, if your size is a little bit bigger than mine, go a little bit further, like 2 or 3 more minutes, and you're good to go. This is what you're looking for, guys. It turned out so delicious. It was not that hard. It was a bit chewy. It will melt in your mouth, guys. This turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. I then went ahead and arranged it, so I placed them in my plastic bag, little plastic bag like so, and I'm good to go, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, love you all. Till then, bye bye, adios.